Wait, so do you want your face in it or just the ground?
Just the ground. Hey. I'm just saying. Yesterday I even harvested calendula from here.
Caleb.
Really tasty. Did you eat some?
I don't know if I did or not. I just kind of grabbed food and then I...
Yeah, it was that vegetable that looked kind of green. It was really tasty.
Yum. Mom.
Huh?
Can you smile for the camera? Wait, you're not holding the smile long enough. Alright.
Okay, so I planted, I want to believe that I planted like 5 slips. And I think one of them I already removed from there. Now, this is one of the slips. There was one here, which is already gone. So.
Slips.
Let's do the reveal. And I had also planted Irish potatoes here. So.
Oh, home fries.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, they just grow like that. There's no roots or anything.
Regular potatoes? Yeah, these ones, they don't have roots per se.
How do you know that they're not deeper?
Like with sweet potatoes, naturally they come to the surface for some reason. But there are some that really get embedded, like deep. So after doing this, I'll probably come back tomorrow with a little digging tool to
Stop teasing us. Let's see that size of that big sweet potato. Oh my god, is that 2 of them or one huge one?
Whoa! This is so freaking exciting, right?
Whoa! Is that a turnip or a potato?
It's a potato. It's a sweet
Are you
potato.
serious? Mom, it's huge. Oh my god, there's 2. Fused. I think there's 3. Holy cow! Look at that!
This is kind of cool, isn't it?
They're huge!
Yeah.
Wow!
And I feel like there's something down there too, still.
Wow!
Maybe not.
Oh, this bee needs to back up off me.
I know there's been a bee that's been following me. I don't know whether it came from... Now, yesterday I uprooted some.
Oh, look at those little babies. They never had a chance.
Right?
They never had a chance.
I one, like 2 big ones there. Another time.
They never had a chance. Ooh, there's a juicy one. Ooh, there's a juicy one. Hey, buddy, come out to play. Ooh, massive.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, it's a big boy.
I brought my digging thing.
Where is it?
It's up there now.
Oh, some of them had a chance.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's a nice snack.
Right?
Hello.
This is a meal right there.
Oh, nice. Very cool. Bam, bam.
What?
Nothing. There's more.
I think so.
Ooh. Oh, look at that cutie. You would have found that cutie next year. Like, whoa.
Right. You know, actually, you're right, because if this is buried nicely, they'll come up if they don't die during the winter. Okay, here's another slip.
don't slip. Come on, baby.
So here I'd already put one that was like peeking out.
Oh my God, it's a huge honker. Look at that.
I didn't want the
Ooh, hey, buddy.
hey, look at that.
Ooh,
Isn't that crazy though?
ooh, Thanksgiving yams.
How you can easily grow food, you know? It's so freaking crazy. Look at that.
Aw. Oh, they had so much potential.
I'm passing on the knowledge to you.
Wow. Gross. Just saw a really big spider. No, thank you.
Yeah, you find those things.
That's the biggest one.
Right?
Look at him.
Isn't that amazing?
It's a
though,
big
that
one.
One can grow such food in such a small little place, huh?
Yeah.
And this one had the most, because I remember I think I dug out like
So many, right?
yeah from here. This one had the most. Okay. But you never know, some of them might have gone deeper.
We'll never know, indeed.
Huh?
We'll never know.
We're talking about the tomato now.
Oh, you are?
I didn't even think that it was going to give me any fruit.
Did it? Or this is the first?
This, I've already harvested like 2 huge ones.
Do people do anything with unripe tomatoes?
Yeah, it looks like it's a thing. One of my patients was telling me that her neighbor is Chinese and they don't eat ripe tomatoes. They do green tomatoes. I don't know how true that is, but she actually removed all the unripe tomatoes from her garden and gave. I think I've been lucky. The animals didn't get to this with potatoes.
Why dig? Why work for your food when there's a bounty right there? Just this whole place is a bounty.
Like, I'm so blessed.
Yeah,
Look at this. This is kind of nice, isn't it?
it's very nice. Wow. Look at that. That's so cool.
Yeah. And I promised Dr. Dadaboy that I'll share some with her.
Ew.
Yeah.
That's great.
Wow. Not too bad, right?
Really great, Mom.
Good job.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah, I think so too.
You think there might be more? Is that your hunch?
I really don't think so. I don't think so.